match the following: feeler gauge, gauge, snap gauge, and cylindrical plug gauges are given, and you have to match their functionalities or the usage where they are used for. So you must be knowing about the feeler gauge. Feeler gauge is nothing but it is these are like these strips, thin strips, and they differ in sizes. So I mean in the thickness. So the feeler gauges, as I was telling you, these are nothing but the strips. Feeler gauges are the strips of different thickness. They vary in thickness, and they are basically used to measure or determine the clearance between two adjoining surfaces. So what we do is we simply insert it in between the clearance, and we get to know that what is the magnitude of the clearance depending upon the gap left. Alright, so feeler gauge, as you now you have understood that it is used to measure the clearance or gap between the components. Similarly, feeler gauge is used for measuring the radius of an object. Snap gauge is used to measure the diameter within limits by comparison. Snap gauge is nothing but it is a kind of a go or no go gauge. And coming to cylindrical plug gauge, it is used to measure the inside diameter of a straight hole, and you must be well aware of this fact because you must have studied this thing in metrology. Alright, so this is the cylindrical plug gauge functionality, and I think it option A satisfies all our matches, right? So option A would be the correct option.